My name is Mark Ruiz Cordero. I'm from Philippines. I have a big brother. He is a welder too. I decided myself to follow his career. There's a lot of challenges, but I was able to manage my time because I need to pass the red seal. My instructors, Valerie and Amy, they giving me the right material to study. Since the day that my company enrolled me to CFBC from 58% increased to 66%. I thought that time I passed that exam, but still not enough. So I decided myself to continue and study more. And Amy introduced Valerie to me to help vocabulary. Then after that, I scheduled last January 16th, and finally I got 74%. It makes me feel Safe BC program have big contributed to my journey because being involved with Safe BC program, it helps to me to post through every day in my daily habits. Safe BC program provided me and contributed a lot of knowledge that helped me to understand what I need to get my dreams being certified. To the welders like me, always remember in every challenge that we're facing, we don't give up. Don't hesitate to ask questions if you did not understand. I want to say thank you to Miss Valerie and Amy. Big help for me to pass this exam. I wanted to inspire my coworker before.